Welcome to day 2 Fertility Boost Summit. Today we mostly talk about hormone and we have Cristy Murray. She is a functional medicine practitioner and she's gonna talk about insulin resistance and fertility. We have Dr. Deborah Matthew. She's also a medical doctor and she's gonna talk about hormone balance and fertility. Dr. Anshul Gupta, medical doctor, talk about Hashimoto's and infertility. Dr. Lorraine Maita, medical doctor, talking about hormone hacks to boost fertility, the importance of cortisol and thyroid balance. Then we have Dr. Carly Colitely. She's a naturopathic doctor and she's going to talk about fertility and HbA access. We have Dr. Jennifer Rowland, medical doctor. She's going to talk about fertility diet for PCOS and tracking your cycle. Then we have Dr. Farah Sultan. She's a medical doctor. She'll explore blood test markers, inflammatory and autoimmune markers, and how sleep impacts hormone balance and fertility.